Neg and I are here today to talk about 10 home maintenance tips that no one tells you that are really important. So I'm going to use my cheat sheet. The first one is to re-caulk your exterior every 3 years. No one ever tells us this, but it is really important because that's how you're going to get water leakage and ants and all that good stuff. So your painter can definitely do this task for you. It does entail getting on a ladder most likely for your home. So try to keep up with exterior caulk. Number 2, flush your hot water heater annually. I'm probably the worst person to say this. I've never done it, but your water heater has to work harder and it does shorten the lifespan. So I'm sure you can ask chat how to do it, but basically you drain a few gallons from the bottom spigot and you wait until the water runs clear, 15 minutes, and it can add years of life to your water heater. Test your sump pump before a storm. So if it has a float in it, the easiest way is to unplug the float, plug it straight into the wall, make sure it's working, and you just want to hear it run for a second and then you know it's working. Not good to do during a storm. Much better to know if your sump pump is working before the storm starts. Number 4, clean your dryer vent, not just the lint trap. Obviously you clean the lint trap, hopefully, every time you do a load, making sure the bottom part of the lint is cleaned out and also the entire vent going outside. So you can hire a company to do this or you can buy a mechanism to do this yourself. I've done both. Recommend you hiring someone. The next item is checking the grading and soil around your foundation. What happens is if your gutters overflow into it, it will erode your soil around your foundation, which will make it very easy for water to infiltrate your basement, which we don't want. So keep up with making sure the grading is sloping away from your house. Super important. Garage door hardware. I got to do this past weekend. You can buy garage door silicone spray, and my garage door was getting very noisy. And so I sprayed all the hardware, the wheels, the spring, and it's a lot quieter, but I also know now you're supposed to do it once a year. Again, never done it, but now I will do it. Smoke detector batteries, even if it's hardwired, you want to change your battery once a year. Always good to do maybe January 1st. Something that's easy to remember, retorquing your deck and railing bolts annually. So this is just maintenance that all of us get busy and forget about, but you know, temperature, etc., can make things come loose. So tightening those up, cleaning the coils under your fridge between pet hair and other just dust bunnies that get under there. It does cause your compressor to work harder and it will burn it out years earlier. So it is smart for all of us to wheel our fridge out and get behind it and clean, and it's just nasty, so good to do. Exercising your main water shutoff valve. So we don't really turn our main water on and off to our house unless we're getting plumbing work done. But let's say you have a water leak and you need to turn water off to the house, really important in an emergency. And if you have never done it and it's frozen in place and you're having an emergency and you can't do it, that's not the time to figure it out. Always good just to test it, make sure it is working so that in an emergency you can shut off the main to your home. So hopefully those are helpful tips, and enjoy your day.